Hello guys, welcome to another review of AppBuilder Pro. So what is AppBuilder Pro? AppBuilder Pro is basically a app building software that helps you to make your own app in just few clicks. You don't need to any coding knowledge, any strategy, anything. Okay, so no need to hire any expertise for your app. You can make your own app in just few clicks. Okay, so let's see how you can make your own app. Okay, first you have to click on create app button, and after that you need to just copy your URL and put it here. Okay, after putting it here you need to click on get started, but you can see here it is the home page coming here. So this is my home page of my site, and this is the home page of app. Okay, so you need to just click on get started, and after that you need to fill description here. So I just put test, and you need to upload an image. Okay, I upload my image here. So this one is this one. Okay, I selected. Okay, my image is uploaded, my URL is here. I need to click on next. Yeah, there is some all the options are there, so I'll go through all the options after that. Okay, so you need to just click on GDPR and click on next. So here it is the QR code. So if you print out this QR code of your official any PDF or any page, okay, so anyone is scan this QR code, they get your app, or they get your app URL. So no need to any app store, any approval of Google, anything. Okay, so you need to just, after that you need to just click on download button. Okay, so here it is, you can see 515 KB app zip file is uploaded. Okay, so after that what is happened, I'll upload a separate video on this. Okay, so you can go through my another video. I'll just put in this link in description, my second link. Okay, so you can go through this also. Okay, I'll show you the other options here. Push notifications, you can send the your customers push notifications, and other is support. You can get 24/7 support here. Bonuses, I will give you some bonuses also, but they also give you some bonuses, and they didn't upload it here because this is my review access, so I didn't find any bonuses here. You have WordPress plugin, full-fledged plugin working on your site. So okay, so these are the and the tutorial here. So here is some tutorial also available after you buying the AppBuilder Pro, but this one is my access review, so they didn't give it. Okay, so I'll go through the sales page. This one is the sales page of AppBuilder Pro. So you can see, convert your website visitors into mobile users and send push notifications directly on mobile, tablet and desktop in one click with over 95% open rate. So no technical skill, design experience needed. So you get customers buying today. So this is a sales page. So these are the features of AppBuilder Pro. You will go through this. This one is sales page, so you will go through each and everything. Okay, so in 3 simple steps to create futuristic app under 5 minutes. So step 1 is enter the URL. I will go through this before. Step 2 is upload your logo, customize the menu however you want. Step 3 is click generate and upload the file generated, and your site is now converted into progressive app. Okay, so I'll show you. So if you are a e-commerce, if you have e-commerce store, retailer, salon, influencer, fitness trainer, tutor, doctor, lawyers, restaurants, everything. If you have in these kinds of these things, so you can buy AppBuilder Pro. Okay, so and next is this is the sales page. So details, you will go through this. I didn't go through each and every part. Okay, so you can access offline also, and reduce frictional for users, and no app store middleman needed, cross platform and cross device. Okay, so next is AppBuilder Pro is one to need to lift your business to the next level. So you can auto updating. This one is great for SEO, less data consumption, decreased bounce rates, reliable and secure all requests, native app feel, GDPR compliant, QR code. So QR code I'll go through. So you get a QR code that you can share on social media or print materials, so people can simply scan and code and redirect it to install your PWA. This one is OTO 1 page, this one is OTO 2 page. So I'll show you the bonuses you get after buying OTO 1. So they give you 10 full-fledged bonuses. So first one is WP Viral Click, WP Visitors Chat, WP EZ Launcher, WP Affiliate Blockster, and Facebook Ads Authority, YouTube Marketing Excellence, Affiliate Authority, Web Traffic Beacon, high quality original music track, 102 high quality original music tracks for you to use in your marketing efforts. So these 10 bonuses you will get after buying OTO 1, but I will give you 50 high quality bonuses with front end, so you don't need to buy OTO 1 for my bonuses. Okay, so OTO 1 so front end price is $47. Our creator is Ankit Mehta, who is very good vendor. So app is launched on 17th October 11 AM EST, Eastern Standard Time. So what is AppBuilder Pro? AppBuilder Pro's progressive web app makers eliminate the need for any technical expertise to build progressive web app, allowing you to create amazing PWAs that deliver the same experience as native apps. With AppBuilder Pro, you can create highly engaging apps that work on Android, iOS, and even Chrome. Works supremely fast and even without the internet. So these are the 3 steps, and let's see what inside the AppBuilder Pro. Futuristic app technology, lightning fast loading speed, deployable to all app marketplaces, extended reach via lower data usage, offline web browser, push notifications, automatic update, platform agnosticism, linkability and indexing, advertising, QR code, one web link, Google Ads, WordPress plugin, AMP stores inbuilt. So you'll go through each and everything. I'll put the link. My first link is this, my bonus page link. Okay, so you'll go through each and every part. So I'll show you what you get with front end. Okay, so front end with front end you will get create progressive web apps, send unlimited push notifications, create unlimited apps, create Chrome desktop apps, inbuilt menu designer, dedicated WordPress plugin, sidebar navigations, auto updating apps, no app store approval required, GDPR consent screen, create lightning fast app, QR code generator, single installation web link, Google Ads, affiliate sites, dedicated support. So OTO 1 is AppBuilder Pro, which is $47 commercial price and $97 agency price. So AMP stories, Facebook instant articles, Shopify PWA integration, splash screen, welcome offer, push notification templates, bulk notification scheduling, set to refresh, social share API, Facebook pixel integration, Google tag integration. OTO 2 is AppBuilder Pro Elite, which is also $47 commercial price and $97 agency price. 10 plus pre-built mobile sites in popular niches, mobile site builder, consultant websites, push notifications manager, top quality designs, commercial license, AppBuilder Pro consultant toolkit, which is also $47 commercial price and $97 agency price. So you will get with OTO 3 is your each client will have access to features of progressive app builder, create accounts for your clients using your own dashboard in one click, accept payment from client in your PayPal or using any other method, create accounts in one click, low one-time investment on upstepped new technology. OTO 4 is AppBuilder Pro reseller, OTO 5 is white label WordPress plugin, OTO 6 is mobile app client getting master class. Okay, you will go through everything. Okay, so I didn't go through each and every OTOs. Okay, so I'll go through the bonuses first. Okay, so first bonus is web conversion videos, instant content creator. So these are the bonuses description. You will go through this. Okay, next is WP Headline Pro, Article Indexer Pro, Lead Generating Demand, Mart Expert, Beach Landing Page plugin, Extreme List Builder plugin, Marketing mini site template, Lead Capturing Page Match, Viral Marketing Tips and Success Strategies, Lead Acquisition 101, Viral List Autopilot, Power List Pro, Web List Pro Software, Email Marketing Basics, Lead Generation for Beginners, 100 Mobile Web Templates, Promo Video Secret, a simple guide to promoting affiliate products, Influencer Marketing, Composer Training Video Series, Viral Master List Builder, Mastership Site Promotion Tactics, WP Engage Plus plugin, Search Marketing 2.0, Viral Growth Training, Leadership Authority Gold, WP Checkout Maximizer, WP Casomatic, WP Review Me plugin, Profit Equalizer, WP Profit Page Creator, Lead Generation Mastery, WP Visitor Chat, Online Viral Marketing Secret Video Upgrade, Webinar Delivery Blueprint, Backlinks Analyze Software, WP Simple Geo Digital Lockdown Software, WP Video Attention, WP Video Website Pouch Pro, CPA Excellence Pack, Hot Paid Traffic Source, Affiliate Analyzer, Surefire Profit System, Super Affiliate Success, Promoting Your Site Successfully, CPA Basic Training Software, List Building Profit Kit. Oh my god, 50 high class bonuses for you. Okay, so please go through my link which is in description, and you have to click on these YOLO buttons for getting this sales page, and after that you have to click on these buttons, okay, for AppBuilder Pro and getting those bonuses. So I hope you love the video. I hope you understand what is AppBuilder Pro and how it works. Okay, so let's see the dashboard again, and I have my review access to give you a good tutorial. I hope you love the tutorial. So please subscribe to my channel. Please comment down below what you think AppBuilder Pro is helpful for your business or not. So thank you guys again, and see you again.